Good morning, viewers. This is JNR. In this video, we discuss parametric differentiation. Parametric differentiation. So, two equations are given: x equal to f of t, y equal to g of t. X equal to f of t, y equal to g of t. Two equations are given. How can find out parametric differentiation? Parametric differentiation, now we find out dy by dx equal to dy by dx. Now we find out dy by dx. How can find out this one? So first of all, in these two equations, find the differentiation. So x equal to f of t means now we find out x dash. X dash means dx by dt. Dx by dt, that equal to f dash t. F dash t. Next we find out this equation differentiation with respect to t. dy by dt, y dash equal to dy by dt, dy by dt, that equal to g of t differentiation g dash t. First of all, write given two equations. So first equation, differentiate with respect to t on both sides. So dx by dt equal to f dash t. Next we take second equation, y equal to g of t. Next we find dy by dt and differentiate with respect to t on both sides. So dy by dt equal to g dash t. Next we find out dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to, how can write this one? Dy by dt, dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt equal to g dash t. That equal to g dash t by dx by dt is f dash t. F dash t. So in this method, given two equations, first of all find differentiate. After that dy by dx equal to, now we write this one, dy by dx equal to dy by dt whole by dx by dt. Now substituting these values, simplify that one. Okay. Now let us start the sums. Okay. If x equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t, y equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t, find dy by dx. So two parametric equations are given, find dy by dx. First of all, write given x equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t, y equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. First of all, we find differentiate with respect to t on both sides. Differentiate with respect to t on both sides. So dx by dt equal to d by dt of 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. 2 cos cube t. Separate these two terms. 3 is constant, 3 into d by dt of cos t minus 2 into d by dt of cos cube t. Cos cube t. Now we write 3 into d by dt of cos t. What is the formula? Minus sin t minus 2 into d by dt of cos cube t. Now we consider this one cos t, we consider x. Now we change this form x cube. D by dx of x cube, how much? 3x square. So 3 into x square, x means cos t, cos square t, into d by dt of which term we consider t? Again differentiate that one into cos t. That equal to minus 3 sin t minus 2 3s are 6 cos square t d by dt of cos t minus sin t that equal to minus 3 sin t minus 6 into minus plus 6 sin t into cos square t sin t into cos square t. Now we take minus 3 as common, minus 3 into sin t also common, minus 3 into sin t, minus 3 into sin t is common, minus 3 sin t 1, minus 3 sin t is common, plus we can write minus of minus 3 2s are 2 into sin t as common, cos square t 1 minus 2 cos square t. Now we write this one minus 3 sin t into, now we take minus as common these two terms, minus of minus here plus. Now we write this one 2 cos square t minus 1. Why are you minus as common? So now we change this form, cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 that equal to 3 sin t into 2 cos square t minus 2 cos square t minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1 cos 2 theta. So cos 2t. What is the value of this one? Minus 3 sin t into cos 2t. Next, y equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Y equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Differentiate with respect to t on both sides. dy by dt equal to d by dt of 3 is constant, 3 into d by dt of sin t minus 2 into d by dt of sin cube t. Now we write this one 3 into d by dt of sin t. Write cos t minus 2 into, now we consider this term is x cube d by dx of x cube. What is the formula? 3x square. So d by dt of sin cube t. Now we consider this one is t cube means 3t square, 3 into t square sin square t into d by dt of which term we consider t, again differentiate that one, d by dt of sin t that equal to 3 cos t minus 6 into sin square t d by dt of sin t is cos t. Now we take 3 cos t as is common, 3 cos t into 1 minus 2 into sin square t, 1 minus 2 sin square t, 3 cos t is common. So 3 cos t into 1 minus 2 sin square t, 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos 2t. This value is dy by dt. Next we find out dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt by dx by dt. What is the dy by dt value? 3 cos t into cos 2t by dx by dt value 3 sin t into cos 2t. Cos 2t. 3 is cancel. Cos 2t cancel. Cos t by sin t. Cos by sin. Cot t. Cot t. Cos by sin. Cot t. This is the value of dy by dx. Okay. Any sum given this type, find out this model. Okay. Next sum. Okay, next sum. If x equal to a into cos t plus t sin t, y equal to a into sin t minus t cos t, find dy by dx. First of all, it is given equations. Given x equal to a into cos t plus t sin t, y equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. First of all, we find dx by dt. Differentiate with respect to t on both sides. Dx by dt equal to a is a constant, a into d by dt of cos t plus t sin t, t sin t. Separating these two terms, a into d by dt of cos t plus d by dt of t sin t, t sin t, that equal to a into d by dt of cos t, cos t value minus sin t plus d by dt of t into sin t. Two variables are there. So t sin t. So by using uv form, u, now we consider u is t, v is sin t. What is the uv form? U into v dash plus v into u dash. U into t into v, u into v dash, d by dt of sin t, u into v dash plus v into sin t into u dash, d by dt of t. That equal to a into minus sin t plus t into d by dt of sin t cos t plus sin t into d by dt of t 1. That equal to a into minus sin t plus t cos t plus sin t plus sin t. So minus sin t plus sin t is cancelled. A into t cos t, a into t cos t. This is the dx by dt value. Next we find dy by dt. Y equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t on both sides. Dy by dt equal to a is constant, a into d by dt of sin t minus t cos t. Separating the two terms, a into d by dt of sin t minus d by dt of t, d by dt of sin t minus d by dt of t into cos t. Differentiate that one. A into d by dt of sin t cos t minus by using uv form u into v dash t into d by dt of cos t u into v dash plus u into v dash plus v into cos t into u dash d by dt of t, that equal to a into cos t minus of t into d by dt of cos t minus sin t plus cos t into d by dt of t 1, that equal to a into cos t minus into minus plus t sin t, next minus into plus minus cos t minus cos t plus cos t minus cos t is cancel, a into t into sin t, t into sin t. This is the dy by dt value. Next, therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt, that equal to dy by dt value, dy by dt at into sin t by dx by dt at into cos t, at into cos t, a cancel, t cancel, sin by cos tan t, tan t. So what is the differentiation? dy by dx equal to tan t. Okay, next sum. Okay, x equal to 380 by 1 plus t cube, y equal to 380 square by 1 plus t cube. Find dy by dx. First of all, we take given equations. Given x equal to 380 by 1 plus t cube, y equal to 380 square by 1 plus t cube. First of all, differentiate with respect to t on both sides. Differentiate with respect to t on both sides. Dx by dt equal to 3a is a constant. Now we write 3a into d by dt of t by 1 plus t cube. T by 1 plus t cube. 3a into d by dt of t by 1 plus t cube by using u by v form. What is the formula of u by v? V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. V into 1 plus t cube into v into u dash d by dt of t, v into u dash minus u into t into v dash d by dt of 1 plus t cube whole by v square, v 1 plus t cube whole square, that equal to 3a into 1 plus t cube into d by dt of t1 minus t into d by dt of 1 is 0, 1 is constant 0, t cube, d by dt of t cube 3t square by 1 plus t cube whole square, that equal to 3a into 1 plus t cube minus t into 3t square, 3t cube, 3t cube whole by 1 plus t cube whole square, 1 plus t cube whole square. This 3a is the total value. Okay, next we find dy by dt. If y equal to 3a t square by 1 plus t cube, 3a differentiate with respect to t on both sides. dy by dt equal to 3a is constant, 3a into d by dt of t square by 1 plus t cube, that equal to 3a into d by dt, 3a into d by dt of t square by 1 plus t cube. So by using u by v form, v into 1 plus t cube into u dash d by dt of t square, v into u dash minus u into t square into u into v dash d by dt of 1 plus t cube by v square 1 plus t cube whole square, that equal to 3a into 1 plus t cube d by dt of t square 2t minus t square into d by dt of 1 0, constant derivative 0, plus d by dt of t cube 3t square whole by 1 plus t cube whole square, that equal to 3a into 2t into 1 plus t cube into 2t minus 3t square into t square, 3t power 4 by 1 plus t square 1 plus t cube whole square. This one is dx dy by dt value. Next we find dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Now what is the dy by dt value? 3a by 3a into 1 plus t cube into 2t minus 3t power 4 by 1 plus t cube whole square, whole by dx by dt. Dx by dt value is this one, whole by dx by dt, 3a into 1 plus t cube minus 3t cube by 1 plus t cube whole square. So 3a is cancelled, this one is cancelled, 1 plus t cube whole square. What is the remaining part? 2t into 1 plus t cube minus 3t power 4 by 1 plus t cube, 1 plus t cube minus 3t cube. So 1 plus t cube minus 3t cube. 1 plus t cube minus 3t cube. Now simplify this one. 2t into, okay, dy by dx equal to, dy by dx equal to 2t plus 2t into 1, 2t plus 2t into t cube, 2t power 4, 2t power 4 minus 3t power 4 by 1 plus t cube minus 3t cube minus 2t cube, that equal to 2t power 4 minus 3t power 4 minus t power 4 by 1 minus 2t cube, 1 minus 2t cube. This is dy by dx value. So first of all we find dx by dt. First of all find out dx by dt. Next we find dy by dt. After that we find finally dy by dx. So this type of questions is given in examinations. Follow this method. Parametric equations, differentiation. Okay, are you understand? Okay, my dear viewers, please like and share this video and please subscribe this channel. Please give me your support. Thank you. Thank you for watching.